Don't spread compost on your weeds. A Shakespearean metaphor that essentially means don't nourish your problems. But here, on our TikTok challenge to reach 1,000 followers, it serves as a reference for how far back sustainable efforts really go. See, we've known about the benefits of composting for quite some time, but it wasn't until around the 20th century that an English agriculturist by the name of Albert Howard was the first to really put together the why of the situation. He was the first to really dive into large-scale experiments and try to combat the prevalent method of the time, which was chemical-based soil enrichment. We still kind of face that today. Thanks to the efforts of Albert, Fritz Haber, Karl Bosch, and many more, we understand now that the right mix of decaying fragments and organic matter produce healthy soil, which also has more microbes in a teaspoon than there are people on the planet. These microbes break down organic matter from dead plants and animals to supply key nutrients to plants' roots. These nutrient-dense plants produce nutrient-dense foods, which produce nutrient-dense people. Although we are aware of the benefits of this today, our waste is uniquely problematic. Much of it ends up in landfills, depriving it of the oxygen it needs to decompose properly. Instead of doing so, it produces a potent greenhouse gas known as methane, which is almost 30 times more powerful than carbon dioxide over the course of 100 years. In 2015, an estimated 38% of food waste was composted in the United States, 57% in the European Union. If all lower-income countries reached the US rate and all higher-income countries reached the UE rate, composting could avoid methane emissions from landfills equivalent to 2.3 gigatons of carbon dioxide by 2050. This is why composting is encouraged, because it is a viable waste management method at any scale. So, in name of Sir Albert Howard himself, I'm going to name this organic art piece after him. We will check on it in the spring as my composter from home continues to do what it does. Thank you all again, and be sure to like and follow on our journey towards 1,000 followers. I really want to be able to do these live with you guys, and I hope you enjoy the sustainable content. Click that link in my bio for more.